A copyright is a legal protection for your works of authorship. U.S. copyright law applies protection to any original work of authorship that is fixed in a tangible medium. It does not apply to ideas, facts, procedures, or methods. Examples of things eligible for copyright protection include films, books, songs, scripts, recordings, software applications, and blueprints. A work does not need to be published to be copyrighted. You can earn copyright protection for a work automatically from the moment that you create that work in a tangible form of expression. Copyright holders have exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, perform, and display their works publicly. They also have the right to prepare derivative works, such as translations, adaptations, sequels, and remixes. Registering your copyright with the U.S. Copyright Office is a good idea for several reasons. Registration gives public notice of the copyright and creates a record indicating that you own your work. Registration also allows you to bring lawsuits related to your registered work. In the event of a legal dispute regarding a copyrighted work, you can pursue both attorney's fees and statutory damages. Statutory damages could provide you with the ability to pursue up to $30,000 per act of infringement without being required to show any actual economic damages. Finally, by registering your copyright, you can also pursue enforcement in countries with which the U.S. has copyright. The major drawback of not registering your copyright is losing out on the litigation benefits that it provides. Without registration, you won't be able to recover statutory damages or attorney's fees. If you suspect someone has wrongfully copied your work, you or your lawyer should send an email or letter pointing out the infringement and demanding that it stop. If that doesn't work, and your copyrighted material is online without your permission, you can contact the infringing party's web host or service provider with a takedown notice. Most content sharing platforms like YouTube offer quick, automated ways for copyright holders to submit complaints. As a last resort, you can file an injunction or a lawsuit against the person or organization you believe is infringing on your copyright-protected work. You do not lose your copyright if you don't enforce it. Instead, your copyright will automatically expire after a fixed period of time. For works created by an individual for his or her own benefit, copyrights will expire 70 years after the copyright holder's death. For an anonymous work, or a work made for hire, the copyright term lasts 95 years from its first publication or 120 years from the year of its creation, whichever expires first. You can sell or give away your copyright ownership rights via contract. By failing to enforce or by assigning your rights regarding your works, others will likely not associate you with the works that you have created. Do you have a question about copyrights? Feel free to contact me at any time. I'm here to help.